knew I shouldn't have.
It's just time, so I can only run this thing into the ground so long before I need to start looking at something else. But oh my god, this is the most pathetic attempt at parking I think I've ever seen.
Special little treat tonight. We preempted this because, of course, we had Game 6 yesterday.
Вроде бы чистый, небо самолетом от цензуры для...
But no, because then you don't know you're dead.
Where did I put my...
Oh my god! Like, what the fuck? He just blew through a stop sign. That guy's like...
Meat, seafood, and produce. Prepared foods that are ready for puck drop, ice cold drinks, and everything else you need for a long playoff run. Or order.
Yep. And the fact that, like, about a month ago, the brakes didn't work.
Didn't know that.
So I went to back this van into the shop, and
The truck fire, that means the Liberty Tubes, they are closed as well. Parkway East inbound is crawling from Oakland to the Fort Pitt Bridge. Outbound jams Oakland to Edgewood Swissvale. Brandon Joseph, Total Traffic.
I needed affordable car insurance. Then I heard this song.
Last night, he wasn't the only factor in deciding the game. The Penguins got 30 shots on Shesterkin in 2 periods. Lots of good looks. Jerry Gallen said afterwards, the Rangers coach, he said the Rangers were soft all
idiot.
night, and they were.
You ever see a car that's all fucked up and then realize you know exactly why it's all fucked up?
Maybe that...
You're like in my lane, dude. Jesus fucking Christ, man. I didn't even go over the speed limit.
How I took that turn.
We think the band together
could play one more virtuoso concert. And again, they didn't play badly. They played well enough to win. But there's a
repair bills down the road with a quick visit to Jiffy Lube. You never need an appointment, and Jiffy Lube offers state inspections 7 days a week and proudly features Pennzoil, not just oil.
What a shot.
Show it up as regards the Rangers being solid. So your thoughts, 412-333-WXDX.
When I have the fucking green.
Played okay.
Granny Smith and Grandpa Father Time.
Shotgun, say you ain't a figure, but you funny when the cops come. Say you chasing paper, but that money's made a carton. Sick 'em the cruise ships, sneak it to cruise ship. Cold War's getting to
Covers their ass.
It covers their ass, yeah. One purchase has to be under a certain amount.
Yeah. My theory is continuing.
I think they could use a bit more size, yes.
Okay. We'll see what it...
But keep in mind, Sullivan doesn't want size. He had Ryan Reeves who never
What
played
are
him.
you doing?
It's a combination of both, I don't know. He's going to change his style for this team to succeed.
He doesn't want that kind of player. He just does not want that kind of player. Let's go to Corey in the car. Corey, you're on with Mark.
Hey, good day, Double M.
I said good day.
Hey, Mark, I think it's time to trade.
With Ryan as a friend.
That is a no-no.
But that is not stopping him from unnecessarily apologizing to anyone and everyone who will listen. He sounds so bummed.
I got nothing. It doesn't take a genius to know Fox 53 has the Big Bang Theory. It's at 6 and 7. 30 seconds. Take one from Let's Check.
QC Kinetics, 724-201-4230.
Welcome to Allstate, where saving on your auto insurance is kind of like a joyride.
Suffering from ED is horrible. It's terrible. However, New Flow Men's Health is a Pittsburgh-based company and the local leader in dealing with ED issues. You'll be examined by a real doctor, not by video conference. At New Flow, we don't do pills, we don't do injections, and we certainly don't do gains
People
weight.
fail that a
We do
lot.
Personnel for the XFL. And ESPN will kick off its Monday Night Football schedule with a doubleheader in Week 2. It features the Bills hosting the Titans and the Eagles entertaining the Vikes. I'm Scott Davidson.
Universal Windows Direct will save you.
Like inexcusable, which is really, really, really hard to do.
Yeah, like if something accidental happens and you own up to it, it's like fine.
Shit happens, yeah.
Now, if you're being super careless,
Even if they're mild, you should test fast. Test positive and at high risk for severe COVID-19, then act fast with authorized oral treatments that can be taken at home and must be
That's
taken
one way to
within
do
5
that.
days from when symptoms begin. COVID-19.
Reaction, Mark.
Yeah, no, I know of when you speak, and you know what a key is, though?
Let's go. Turn left, then turn right on Mountain View Drive. Turn right on Mountain View Drive. In 900 feet, use the right lane to turn right on Delmore Road.
Despise our great rates. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, man, it's worth 75 cents. The fuck's wrong with you? Don't lowball me, dickhead. If this lady weren't walking in the middle of the street.
Just enter this nationwide keyword on our website.
That's bank. B-A-N-K.
Real doctor, not by video conference. At New Flow, we don't do pills, we don't do injections, and we certainly don't do gains weight.
Thank
we
you.
do focused linear compression therapy.
What's that? Thank you.
Look at that. This one, just read them all. What
Good
did
luck,
we
there's
forget?
15,000 of them.
What did we forget?
Nothing like my son is obsessed with cars.
Okay.
Behind us. We've been looking at it the whole time.
And that's what I said. Like, okay, like I just want to sit here and read them all. Oh, they're on the inside too.
There's 15,000 on the car.
15,000?
Yep.
Tripping. Did you collect them different places or what? Just
No,
like,
mostly from Amazon, but I get random ones here and there from different places.
it really is cool though. Look, babe, it's on the inside too. He said it's 15,000. I know, and they're all different kinds.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of repeats, but that happens when you buy that many packs of
Yeah,
them.
you get this reaction all the time, don't you?
Absolutely constant. Dwayne did. This is gonna look sketchy as fuck.
Oh, shit. Oh.
That's what we're supposed to do.
They don't care?
Nope. How Dwayne loaded in.